Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best three-piece patio bistro set available on the market, the IDZO Heavy-Duty Patio Bistro Set. If you're looking for a perfect combination of style, durability, and convenience for your outdoor space, this set might just be the one you've been waiting for. The IDZO Bistro Set is thoughtfully designed and crafted in Vietnam, then shipped quickly from US warehouses, ensuring you get it without the wait. Made from solid acacia wood that's FSC certified, this set doesn't just add elegance to your patio or balcony. It also reflects a commitment to sustainability. Choosing furniture made from responsibly sourced wood means you're investing in a product that supports durable forestry practices while bringing natural beauty to your outdoor environment. Now, durability is a huge factor when it comes to outdoor furniture, and IDZO doesn't disappoint. Each chair can hold up to 400 pounds, which is exceptional for a folding chair. The table, with its solid construction, supports up to 220 pounds. This robust build means you don't have to worry about stability or wear and tear, even with regular use or heavier guests. One of the standout features of this set is its space-saving convenience. The chairs and table fold easily, allowing you to store them away without hassle when they're not in use. This makes the set ideal for small spaces like balconies, porches, or gardens where every inch counts. Plus, the portability factor means you can take it along for picnics, camping trips, or other outdoor gatherings with ease. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The set includes plush cushions that offer a soft, inviting seating experience. These cushions not only provide comfort but also add a cozy vibe to your outdoor area, making it a great spot to unwind with your morning coffee or enjoy a quiet evening. Maintenance is simple too. The acacia wood is finished with a high-quality protective coating that resists UV rays and color fading. So, even if your set faces harsh sunlight or occasional rain, it will retain its polished look over time. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep everything looking fresh and ready for your next outdoor moment. Visually, the design is charming and versatile. The square table paired with folding chairs presents a classic yet modern aesthetic that complements various outdoor styles, whether you have a rustic garden or a sleek balcony setup. It's the kind of furniture that enhances the ambiance of your outdoor space without overwhelming it. Assembly is hassle-free since the set arrives ready to use. No complicated setup or tools required. This means you can start enjoying your new patio oasis right away. In summary, the IDZO Heavy-Duty Patio Bistro Set brings together sustainable craftsmanship, heavy-duty strength, and smart design in a compact, easy-to-store package. Whether you want to create an intimate dining nook or a relaxing spot for casual conversation, this set offers everything you need. If you value quality, style, and convenience in your outdoor furniture, this bistro set is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more honest takes on great products, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.